What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Stumpin back again from Flight for Hype. First dub of the year. I'll tell you why. Boom, as you guys can see, we just got a dub on the Jordan 1 Volt Gold. Oh my god, $276.85. I actually managed to cop on deadstock.ca. It is a Canadian website that is known to drop sneakers on the release dates. So apparently on Foot Locker, the release date for the men's size have postponed, but the kid size has dropped, and I'm still in the waiting room for it. It says your chance at sneaker glory. Guys, go away, go, move, get up, get up, go. Guys, making too much noise. Move, go. Making too much noise, man. I have food here, sorry about that, so you know how dogs be. But we did get a dub on the Jordan 1 Volt Gold, so I'm really happy about that. It was like the easiest dub I've ever made in my entire life. I literally went on the website and I was like checking out and everything, and I was like, wow, it was really easy actually. But the only thing is, it actually sold out in like 5 seconds, so I don't know how I managed to cop it, but you guys saw it. It is coming, and I got it for retail, so I did not want to pay resale for this shoe whatsoever, so I'm really happy about it. Hopefully we can take a dub on the kids pairs. They are $150 Canadian, so you know, it'd be nice to flip those, to be honest with you. Let me know in the comments down below, did you guys cop or did you guys decide to just drop this? Like, let me know what you guys decided to do. As you guys can see, I'm still in the waiting room, and I don't think I'm gonna take a W on these. I'm pretty sure that these are gonna be sold out anyways. You guys are lucky because I'm dropping a double video today. I actually just posted this video today. Last night, I went to my boy's house, well, in front of the crib, and I traded some rare Pokemon cards for some sneakers. So if you guys have not watched this already, go ahead and watch this right now. Let me know in the comments down below, would you ever do something like this? And have you ever seen anyone trade Pokemon cards for sneakers, especially like expensive ones as well? Also, we are almost at 3K, so if everyone who is watching this video could subscribe to the channel, we're going to be doing a giveaway at 3,500 subscribers, guys. So you already know what to do. Smash the like button. Please subscribe as well. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update because obviously the shoe's not in hand, so I don't really want to waste your guys' time. But I did want to let you guys know that we did take a dub today. This is the first dub of 2021. Wow, I can't believe it. That's amazing. Alright, everybody, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and smash the like button for good luck for the next ones. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys going to go for the dunks? Guys, we have a lot of dunks releasing on the 14th. I definitely want to go for the black and the white ones for sure. Even the blue ones too. The coasts, I definitely want to go for those. Those are so nice, but they are women's, so I definitely need to go for a bigger size for me. I'm probably going to go for an 11 women's. I already entered some raffles and stuff, so you already know how it is. Guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. This is Jordan from Flight for Hype. Peace.